Given the anecdotal evidence that you have and the statistical evidence that you have, you believe that there are some important policy implications for North Carolina and elsewhere, that orphanages are not to be shunned.
Yeah, the child welfare system across the country is basically says family first, no matter how bad the family is, and foster care next, and orphanage care. Well, you try to avoid that at all costs, because they know that orphanages were like Dickens described them, and you got to understand that one reason Dickens described the orphanage so badly, and the headmaster put him was such a bad guy, is that in novels and movies you've got to have dramatic tension. You've got to have the good guy against the bad guy, and there's no simpler model for a movie and a novel than to pit the poor little orphan waif up against the big bad headmaster and the big bad institution.
What should North Carolina legislators, the governor's office, Health and Human Services do to rethink the way they've been treating orphanages?
Well, first off, they ought to go visit some excellent children's homes in the state, and I point to two. One is the Masonic Home in Oxford, North Carolina, and the Cross North School in Cross North Carolina. That's in the mountains of North Carolina. They're absolutely wonderful places.